Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Today we're exploring virtual labs, essential for hands-on cybersecurity training. Let's dive into how they boost your skills and top resources for veterans. In cybersecurity, practical hands-on experience is key. But how do you gain this experience without risking a real network or system? That's where virtual labs come in. Virtual labs simulate real-world environments where you can safely practice your skills, whether it's scanning a network for vulnerabilities, analyzing malware, or testing for defenses against a simulated cyber attack. These virtual environments allow you to experiment and make mistakes without consequences. And with cybersecurity constantly evolving, virtual labs provide a controlled, low-risk space where you can stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques. So why should you use virtual labs as part of your cybersecurity journey? Let's take a look at a few key benefits. First, safe practice. Virtual labs allow you to make mistakes and learn from them, which is a huge part of growing your cybersecurity skills. Second, skill building. Virtual labs provide an opportunity to work with the same tools and technologies used by professionals in the field, helping you gain hands-on experience with industry-standard software like Kali Linux, Wireshark, and Metasploit. Third, accessibility. Virtual labs can be accessed from anywhere, anytime, so you can practice and learn at your own pace. This is perfect for veterans transitioning into civilian life, as you can work around your schedule. And lastly, cost effectiveness. Many virtual labs are free or low cost, so you don't need to spend a lot of money on physical equipment or risk using real networks and systems. Now let's talk about some of the best virtual labs and resources that can help you get started in cybersecurity. One of the most popular platforms for beginners is TryHackMe. This platform offers hands-on labs and guided learning paths designed for beginners. Whether you're interested in network security, ethical hacking, or incident response, TryHackMe offers a variety of interactive learning modules. They even have beginner-friendly rooms that are perfect for veterans who are just getting started. Another great platform is Hack the Box. This is a bit more advanced, but offers a variety of challenges, from exploiting vulnerabilities to capturing flags in Capture the Flag competitions. It's a fantastic resource for building your problem-solving skills in real-world scenarios. And if you prefer to set up your own virtual lab, you can use tools like VirtualBox or VMware to create virtual machines on your computer. This allows you to create test environments to practice skills like network configuration, malware analysis, and even penetration testing. To get the most out of your virtual lab experience, here are a few tips. Set clear goals. Before diving into a lab, define what you want to learn or achieve, whether it's mastering a specific tool or solving a particular security problem. Practice regularly. The more you use the lab, the better you'll get. Make sure you set aside time each week to practice and experiment with different scenarios. Experiment. Virtual labs are meant for learning, so don't be afraid to try different techniques, tools, and approaches. Virtual labs are a fantastic way to get hands-on experience without the risks and costs associated with real-world environments. They are an invaluable resource for anyone transitioning into cybersecurity, especially for veterans looking to build and sharpen their skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get in there and start exploring. Find your perfect role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.